Welcome to aminacademy.com. Distance, rate, time, word problems. An aircraft carrier made a trip to Guam and back. The trip there took 3 hours and the trip back took 4 hours. It averaged 6 km per hour on the return trip. Find the average speed of the trip there. Time on onward trip equal 3 hours. Return trip for return trip 4 hours. Let the average speed equal x kilometer per hour. Return speed equal 6 km per hour. Now distance equal speed into time, that is 6 into 4 equal 24 kilometer. Therefore onward speed equal 24 over 3 equal 8 kilometer per hour. Therefore average speed equal total distance over total time, which is equal 24 onward distance, return distance is 24, adding both divided by both onward time 3, return time 4, total 7. That is 24 plus 24 is 48 over 7, which is equal 6 by 7 hours. A cattle train left Miami and traveled towards New York. 14 hours later, a diesel train left traveling 45 km per hour in an effort to catch up the cattle train. After traveling for 4 hours, the diesel train finally caught up. What was the cattle train's average speed? Let the speed of cattle train equal x kilometer per hour. Total time traveled by cattle train equal 14 plus 14, which is equal 18 hours, because cattle train travels before 4 hours than diesel train, so it total hours is 18 hours. Now speed of diesel train equal 45 kilometer per hour given. Distance between two places equal distance between starting point and meeting place. Starting point and meeting point equal 45 into 4. 45 into 4 equal 180 kilometers. Therefore, distance by cattle train equal 18x equal 180. We formed a linear equation. Therefore, by solving x equal 180 over 18, which is equal 10 kilometer per hour. A cargo plane flew to the maintenance facility to back. It took 1 hour less time to get there than it did to get back. The average speed on the trip there was 220 miles per hour. The average speed on the way back was 200 miles per hour. How many hours did the trip there take? Let the onward time equal x hours. Return time equal x plus 1 hours, because return time is 1 hour late. Onward speed equal 220 miles per hour. Return speed equal 200 miles per hour. Onward distance equal return distance. Therefore, speed in time is distance, that is 220x equal x plus 1 into 200. Therefore, 220x equal 200x plus 200 into 1 is 200. We form the linear equation by solving 220x minus 200x equal 200. 220 minus 200 is 20x equal 200. Therefore, x equal 200 over 20 equal 10 hours. Therefore, total trip time total trip time equal 10 plus x plus 1 is 11, totally 21 hours. A submarine left Hawaii 2 hours before an aircraft carrier. The vessel traveled in opposite direction. The aircraft carriers traveled at 25 miles per hour for 9 hours. After this time, the vessels were 280 miles apart. Find the submarine speed. Let the speed of submarine equal x miles per hour. Speed of aircraft carrier equal 25 miles per hour. The time traveled by carrier equal 9 hours aircraft carrier. Time for submarine equal 9 plus 2 hours because it's 2 hours more. Therefore, the submarine carrier and aircraft carrier travels opposite directions. Therefore, distance traveled by aircraft carrier equal 25 into 9, which is equal to 25 miles. Distance by aircraft carrier plus distance by submarine equal 225 280 miles, because both vessels travel opposite side, so total distance is sum of their distance traveled. Therefore, submarine distance of submarine is distance of aircraft carrier is 225 plus distance of submarine is x into 11x equal to 80. Therefore 11x equal to 80 minus 2, 25, which is 11x equal 0, 7, 50, 55, sorry, 55. Therefore x equal 55 over 11 equal 5 miles per hour. Therefore speed of the submarine carrier is 5 miles per hour.